You don't need expensive detailing products to make your car look brand new again, because this simple $2 spray can completely transform your car's shine in just minutes. Most people spend hundreds of dollars on professional polishing and detailing, thinking it's the only way to bring back that original shine. Most people spend hundreds of dollars on professional polishing and detailing, thinking it's the only way to bring back that original shine. But what they don't realize is they're paying for something that can be fixed at home with a much simpler solution. At first glance, your car might look clean, but if you look closely, the surface still looks faded and lifeless. And that's because normal washing only removes dirt. It doesn't restore the shine that your car originally had. But once you apply this spray, you'll notice something immediately. The dullness disappears, and the surface starts reflecting light again. The transformation feels instant, like your car just came out of a showroom with a smooth, glossy, mirror-like finish. And the process is incredibly simple. You don't need any special tools. No machines, no experience, just a spray and a soft cloth. First, lightly spray the solution on the car's surface. Don't overuse it. Just a thin layer is enough. Then take a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe the surface in smooth circular motions without applying too much pressure. As you wipe, you'll start to see the shine returning, layer by layer, right in front of your eyes. As you wipe, you'll start to see the shine returning, layer by layer, right in front of your eyes. And within seconds, the difference becomes obvious, from dull and faded to bright and reflective. This is because the spray removes oxidation and restores the natural finish of your car's paint. And unlike expensive treatments, this method is quick, affordable, and surprisingly effective. And the more regularly you use it, the longer your car stays shiny, without fading or losing its glow. And the more regularly you use it, the longer your car stays shiny, without fading or losing its glow. This small habit can completely change how your car looks every single day. And most importantly, it saves you money that you would otherwise spend on unnecessary services. But here's something most people don't realize. Even after cleaning their car regularly, they still lose that deep shine because they're missing one small step. But here's something most people don't realize. Even after cleaning their car regularly, they still lose that deep shine because they're missing one small step. And that step is not about cleaning. It's about restoring the surface, removing the layer that blocks light and hides the natural gloss. Over time, dust, pollution, and oxidation create a thin layer on your car that normal washing cannot remove. That's why your car slowly starts looking older, even if you take care of it, because the shine is hidden, not completely gone. And this is exactly where this simple spray makes a difference. It removes that layer and reveals the shine underneath. But here's an important tip. Never apply it on a dirty surface, because that can cause scratches and damage your paint. Always wash your car first, remove dust and dirt, then apply the spray for the best results. Another mistake people make is using too much product, thinking more will give better results. But that's not true. So, the key is simple. Use less, wipe gently, and let the shine build naturally. And once you do it correctly, you'll notice something amazing. Your car starts reflecting like a mirror, even in natural light. This kind of shine is what people usually pay for at expensive detailing shops without knowing the simple method behind it. This kind of shine is what people usually pay for at expensive detailing shops without knowing the simple method behind it. And the difference is not the product, it's the technique and understanding what your car actually needs. When you understand that, you stop wasting money on unnecessary services and start doing it smarter. And this is not just about looks. It also protects your car surface from long-term damage and keeps it in better condition. So instead of reacting later, When the damage is visible, you're actually preventing it before it even happens. So next time you see your car losing shine, don't ignore it, because small changes make a big difference over time. Because the difference between a dull car and a shiny one is often just one simple step done correctly. So before you spend money again on expensive products or services, try this simple $2 solution and see the difference yourself.